Nokia is a legendary and iconic smartphone brand that ruled the mobile world for years. After staying under the radar for a while, Nokia is now making a massive comeback to shake up the smartphone market. According to leaks, Nokia is about to launch an absolute beast of a smartphone very soon. This powerhouse is rumored to pack a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera and a monster MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G. And the best part, it's expected to be shockingly affordable. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the fully leaked specs, price, and launch date of this epic smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Infinity Pro 5G. According to leaks, this flagship killer will flaunt a massive 6.78-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-responsive 390Hz touch sampling rate. On top of that, it'll feature in-display fingerprint sensor, HDR10 Plus support for stunning visuals, Corning Gorilla Armor protection, and IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. Get ready for next-level photography, because the Nokia Infinity Pro 5G is rumored to rock a triple camera setup on the back, headlined by a mind-blowing 200-megapixel periscope lens. With this sensors are a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and third one a 5-megapixel depth sensor. And for the selfie camera, a whopping 64-megapixel front shooter for crystal-clear selfies. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is expected to pack MediaTek's flagship Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, ensuring insane speed and efficiency. And for software, it'll run on the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Battery and charging. The Nokia Infinity Pro 5G is rumored to come with a massive 6900 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. And when it's time to recharge, 125-watt ultra-fast charging will juice it up in no time. Price and launch date. The Nokia Infinity Pro's expected price around $700, which is a steal for these specs. And as for the launch date December 2025, mark your calendars.